What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about a new and exciting company to the channel called BlackRock Gold. BlackRock Gold is a gold and silver exploration stage company focused on some high-grade projects in Nevada. So, the one thing that catches my eye when it comes to this company is the mining jurisdiction. Nevada, the United States of America, is a very favorable mining jurisdiction with a pretty supportive political environment. So that's one thing I would highlight when it comes to this company. On top of that, they've had some very exciting high-grade results, which we will be outlining in this video, along with going in depth about the company, seeing what they're all about, going over their investor presentation, and taking a look at their stock. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We're gonna get straight into this. And the last thing I gotta say before we do so is, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos, then kindly explode that like button along with it. If you are a new viewer to the channel, you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, but you appreciate constant daily updates in the markets, a steady flow of new and exciting companies just like BlackRock Gold, and you want to learn a little bit more about investing, then don't forget to catch the subscribe button and ring the market bell for notifications. And let's get straight into this awesome video about BlackRock Gold. So it's got a pretty crazy 52-week range of 7 cents to $1.61 with a current price of just over $1 per share and a market cap of $118 million. Now it is traded on 3 different exchanges, including the OTC markets under ticker symbol BKRRF. Now, let's dive into their website and see what they've got going on here. So, BlackRock Gold is a discovery-driven junior exploration company focused on uncovering the next big economic gold deposit. Anchored by a seasoned board, the company is focused on blue sky opportunities with an aim to acquiring large-scale packages of land that are in prolific gold belts within stable jurisdictions. So one thing I gotta say about BlackRock Gold right now is they're in their drilling phase. They're constantly putting out news, so it's a very exciting time for the company. I do expect lots of news for BlackRock Gold. Here's their most recent press release. As of September 1st, 2020, BlackRock Gold makes second discovery drilling 2,215 grams per ton silver over 3 meters with 4.6 meters of 1,577 grams per ton silver at Tonopah West. So very, very exciting. They're hitting lots of high-grade silver right now. So here's the 3 tickers, guys. On the TSX Venture under ticker symbol BRC, on the OTC markets under ticker symbol BKRRF, and traded in Frankfurt under ticker symbol AHZ. So I want to talk about a few quick things before we dive into the investor presentation. And this is straight from their website. So if you are looking for more information about BlackRock Gold, head on over to blackrockgold.ca. I'm specifically in the investor section where you can actually access and download the investor presentation, but we've got Elephant Country, large land packages on 2 prolific high-grade gold and silver belts in Nevada, big appeal. BRC's Tonopah West project consolidates half of one of the largest silver districts in North America. Blue Sky, Silver Cloud, and Tonopah West represent both grassroots and brownfields with high grades and multi-million ounce potential. Big plans, over 10,000 meters of drilling planned for 2020, targeting high-grade gold and silver. Now let's dive into the investor presentation, guys. So BlackRock Gold, hunting high-grade gold and silver in Nevada. This is their most recent investor presentation as of September 2020. So like I said, guys, we had the pleasure of interviewing their president, CEO, and director, Andrew Pollard. Andrew's a fantastic guy, and I was really impressed, by his background. He's got so many years of experience putting together management teams, and now he's actually working on this company, and the company has been really successful so far, as we saw the stock run from 7 cents so far this in the last year all the way up to $1.60. So he's done a lot so far with the company, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. So take a look at the leadership. Very good leadership team, and it is very important to always do your research and due diligence when it comes to the leadership team. So Nevada, consistently ranked as one of the top mining jurisdictions in the world. Nevada is known as the Silver State due to the world-famous silver discoveries of the Comstock Lode and Tonopah Silver District made in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. So Tonopah West, 100% controlled district leading package. Western expansion of famed Tonopah Silver District consisting of 97 patented claims and 17 unpatented claims covering 4.5 square kilometers over 1,100 acres. Silver Cloud, 100% controlled large land package consisting of 572 mining claims covering 45 square kilometers. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into their Tonopah Silver District, because I do think this is the most important. So the second largest silver district in Nevada, newly consolidated land package consists of 97 patented and 17 unpatented mining claims. The largest claim package in the Tonopah Silver District and that is for Blackrock Gold, one of the largest historical silver districts in North America, producing 174 million ounces of silver and 1.8 million ounces of gold. Mined from underground from the 1900s to 1950s, with peak years producing up to 450,000 ounces per year. Victor vein was 24 meters thick when production ceased. This company is also the first group to conduct exploration targeting historic workings, multiple historic mines on the property. So you can look all about the Tonopah West. It's a very, prolific mining jurisdiction, a historical mining jurisdiction, with millions of ounces coming out of this area in the past. So here we can see production from 1900 to 1950 with an average silver grade of 2,100 grams per ton. That is very high grade. So here we can see the Tonopah District geology and deposit location map. Feel free to take a look at all of these surveys. I'm not going to go into the details when it comes to that, but we will showcase that a little bit. I do want to talk about their 2020 exploration. So they upsized their 2020 drill program, 1,500 meters RC and core program focused on 4 key target areas. Commenced in June, assays pending, targeting 2.5 to 6 million tons, grading between 1,300 grams per ton to 2,100 grams per ton silver and silver equivalent. So once again, emphasis on high grade. And this is pretty cool, guys, because they've got such a high grade deposit so close to the big cities. It's not like they're in the middle of nowhere, and people can live normal lives and work on these sites. So it's pretty cool. Here's the Victor high grade vein and the Ohio high grade vein, targeting 2 to 3 million tons between 1,500 and 3,000 grams per ton silver. Denver, Paymaster, Bermuda, and Martin veins. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the Silver Cloud now. This is the richest mining area in North America. So the large land package consists of 572 mining claims covering 45 square kilometers, centered on the northern Nevada Rift, adjacent to Hecla's Hollister mine. Former Teck, Placer Dome, and Newmont projects with multiple high-grade gold intercepts encountered on limited drilling, 8,000 meters. Time capsule, undrilled since 2005. New understanding of regional geology derived from nearby discoveries unlocks potential, leads to geologic interpretation. 3,500 meter 14 drill program to commence in September, multiple targets, multi-million ounce gold potential. So once again, not just that Tonopah West district, they also have gold exploration potential in a very prolific mining jurisdiction. So now let's talk about their LS Epithermal Pathfinders historic mercury mines. Mercury and arsenic are the ultimate pathfinder elements for low sulfidation epithermal gold deposits. The Silver Cloud project is named after the past producing Silver Cloud gold mine, where past high-grade intercepts were encountered by Teck and Placer Dome. The property hosts another past producing mercury mine on the northeastern section, directly adjacent to Hecla's Hollister mine. This area has never seen any drilling, and with 8 exposed veins found at surface, it is now a priority target for Blackrock. Here we've got some of their geological surveys, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to dive into these details and attempt to explain them. I would rather leave that for their CEO to explain, or someone from the company who knows a little bit more, because I'm simply just highlighting the opportunity and what they're all about, just so you guys can get the gist of it. So that's all I'm going to say for Blackrock Gold, and I am going to sum this up. So Blackrock Gold, it's a very interesting company to watch, especially if you like a company in a more favorable mining jurisdiction, especially North America. Not to mention, they're a company that's exploring in an area that has historical production. They're exploring very gold and silver rich mining jurisdictions who have in the past produced millions and millions of ounces. So it's definitely one stock to keep on your radar. Take a look, let me know what you think, guys. Drop those comments below, and always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in the next video.